From raw timber arriving at the factory, the journey of a sleeping bed begins. Automated systems meticulously sort and stack vast quantities of wooden planks, preparing them for transformation. Powerful industrial saws precisely cut the timber, shaping the foundational components of the bed frame. Wooden planks are then planed and sanded, revealing their smooth, refined surfaces. Huge coils of high-quality steel wire await their destiny, essential for creating resilient spring systems. Advanced machinery coils the steel wire into individual springs, each a marvel of mechanical engineering. These newly formed springs undergo heat treatment, enhancing their durability and elasticity. Massive blocks of foam arrive, ready to be integrated as vital comfort layers. Rolls of finely woven fabric in various textures and patterns represent the bed's outer comfort and aesthetic. Automated systems meticulously inspect every inch of fabric for perfection before cutting. Wooden bed frames are assembled with precision, forming the sturdy skeleton of the bed. Metal components are expertly welded, adding strength and longevity to alternative frame designs. Assembled frames proceed through controlled drying chambers, ensuring their structural integrity. Individual springs are ingeniously connected, forming responsive and supportive spring units. These complete spring units are then carefully positioned onto the prepared bed frames. Robotic arms swiftly secure the spring unit to the frame, creating a unified and robust base. A strong border wire is meticulously attached, reinforcing the edges of the spring system. The first layer of soft padding is gently laid over the springs, initiating the comfort layers. Precision nozzles apply a uniform layer of adhesive, preparing for the next cushioning component. Robotic arms delicately place precisely cut foam layers onto the padded base. Advanced CNC machines slice through thick foam blocks with incredible accuracy, shaping custom components. Multiple layers of specialized foam are systematically stacked, building the bed's intricate comfort profile. Automated cutters precisely shape the fabric, minimizing waste and ensuring a perfect fit. Intricate patterns are stitched onto the fabric by multi-head quilting machines, enhancing both aesthetics and durability. The expertly crafted fabric cover is then stretched smoothly over the entire bed assembly. Pneumatic staple guns rapidly secure the fabric to the frame, creating a taut and finished appearance. Upholstered side panels are seamlessly attached, completing the bed's elegant exterior. Decorative border tape is meticulously applied along the mattress edges, adding a touch of refinement. Automated tufting machines compress the layers, creating a firm, consistent sleeping surface. A plush pillow top is precisely bonded, adding an extra layer of luxurious softness. Automated machines stitch durable seams around the mattress perimeter, ensuring longevity. Skilled craftspeople perform final meticulous trims, perfecting every detail of the finished product. Automated systems rigorously test the mattress firmness, guaranteeing consistent quality and support. High-resolution cameras meticulously scan the fabric for any visual imperfections, ensuring aesthetic flawlessness. A branded label is precisely attached, signifying the culmination of quality and craftsmanship. The finished mattress is sealed within a protective plastic bag by an automated packaging machine. Heat tunnels shrink-wrap the plastic tightly, creating a pristine and secure package. Forklifts carefully transport the packaged beds through the bustling warehouse. Hundreds of completed beds are systematically stacked, awaiting their journey to new homes. Finally, the finished beds are loaded onto delivery trucks, ready to provide comfort and rest.